Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we will see how to create a frequency distribution in Excel. So here is a list of test scores for 30 students and you want to create a frequency distribution. So this is how we are going to create it. First step is to find the maximum and minimum value of scores in this list. For this we are going to use a formula which is equal to max. This formula will return the maximum value of scores in this list like this, and then we have to enter a formula for the minimum score, which is min, and then select all these scores. So the reason for finding the maximum and minimum value of the scores is to so that you can decide your class intervals. And as we see that the minimum score is 59 and maximum is 99, so it makes sense to have the class intervals from 51 to 60, 61 to 70, and so on up to 100. So here another thing which I would like to tell you is the bin array. So bin array consists of the upper limit of each interval. This will help to calculate the frequency distribution by using the formula which is frequency. Now here, as you can see, first step is to add a data array, and then we will add this bin array. So here we just select this data array, and then we select the bin array. There you go. Now you see that this formula returned the values of the frequencies between these class intervals. So it was just so simple. Now let's create a chart for this. Select the data. There you go. I hope you liked today's video. Thanks for watching.